Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here. I have got one of the coolest color combination lifted pickup trucks I have come across. This is a brand new 2021 Ram 1500 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive with the Rocky Ridge K2 package on it. It is just absolutely a stunning truck. It's in the Hydro Blue exterior coat with a blacked out high top, so the top of the truck, as you can see there, has been painted black. Really goes well with the wheels and the extra black accenting. So let's take a look at this truck. Starting up front here, Rocky Ridge has upgraded the front bumper here, as you can see, integrated in a 20-inch LED light bar. Everything's painted up here, has custom Rocky Ridge badging, where it would normally say Ram. Has the three amber lights down there, and then that bright 20-inch LED light. Has the parking sensors along the front bumper here from the factory. This particular truck has the 5-inch suspension lift. Has 22-inch custom Rocky Ridge wheels. One thing I always like to point out on these wheels, notice how far recessed back in the studs are. That allows the wheel to tuck in and doesn't have that appearance where the wheel sticks out, as you see on a lot of lifted vehicles. Now that wheel is wrapped in a 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tire. That tire is the tire all off-road enthusiasts like. It's a tire that has a lot of research and development behind it, and does really good off-road, and it's really quiet on-road. So as we get in here, we've got upgraded suspension in here. Everything is professionally done, and everything is backed. Look at that. Everything is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Rocky Ridge. Now, we get the question often, does this void the Ram warranty? It doesn't. Rocky Ridge has partnered with Ram for quite a few years, and this has allowed them to upfit these vehicles that complement the factory warranty and do not void it. Got blacked out port here for the engine compartment. Ram 1500 Hemi is all blacked out there as well. Get a little bit better picture of that high top that's painted black. High hat, I guess they call it. So custom leather in here. This is a Bighorn. You cannot get Bighorns with leather, but this leather is really nice. Got custom stitching in it. Nice thick leather. You can tell it's definitely going to hold up well. Those will flip up for extra storage. Got the factory rubber mats down here. Down under here, it's got the storage compartments on both sides. Over here you have your wall outlets, a 400-watt wall outlet. That's a lot of wattage, and then you have your 2 USB ports down there. Now this does have, you can kind of see the cutout here, panoramic sunroof in it, which you don't see a lot of these with that panoramic sunroof, so that's nice to have. We come back here, same wheel and tire setup that we saw in the front. Red Rocky Ridge brake caliber covers. They use Fox shocks on the back here. Take a look at the Fender Flares. They've been added on. Allow that wheel to tuck in nicely behind, keep the slop off the side of the vehicle. Fender Flares are painted in the Hydro Blue to match the rest of the truck. And notice how they're attached. It's a seamless attachment. You don't see a lot of bolts like you see on a lot of upfitted products. So we come back here. It has custom exhaust on it. It's dual exhaust. It's a Gibson exhaust system. It really sounds good. And they're going to add some performance to the whole system here. Parking sensors in the rear bumper is set up for towing. Have your 2-inch towing receiver and your factory wiring, both your 7-pin and your 4-pin. Now here you got your backup camera. All the decals are blacked out, as you can see. You got your Rocky Ridge. Goes in line with the factory decals back here. Factory badging. Spray and bed liner. Well, that bed will look good for years and years to come. Has the kick down step that's going to help you get up into the bed of the truck to reach things out of it, which is nice on a lifted truck. Now, financing is available on this, so if you're in need of financing, a lot of people who watch our videos say, well, how do I proceed? I need financing. I got some questions. Well, just look at the link down below on the finance link. We've created that just for you, so definitely check that out. So you got power running boards when you open up any of the doors. Makes it nice. Painted to match door handles there. Then as we come in, we've got full power seat and a 4-way lumbar right next to it. So you can definitely get comfortable in this pickup truck. The leather is just absolutely stunning. So we come in here, start on the left and we'll go to the right and check out the options. Got power mirrors that are power folding in as well. That's really nice to have. Park at the grocery store, people don't run into your mirrors and rip them off. Power windows and locks. And then you have your automatic headlights. You have 2 auxiliary switches here. Those are for that front 20-inch light bar and those amber lights there. The foot pedals are adjustable down here. That's your brake and gas pedal. And then on the steering wheel here, your left thumb, you have hands-free connectivity as well as selection for the center digital cluster there. And then on the right, you have your cruise control, gearing control, and then you have volume back here, tuning back here. Now, if we look a little closer to the cluster, you can see it's custom cluster by Rocky Ridge. You get your Rocky Ridge badging in there, which is really cool. Over here, we do have, truck does have 5,054 miles, but is a brand new truck. Over here, we do have the 12-inch radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. All of that's right there. And then you can get into your heated seat, heated steering wheel controls in here. There is dual zone climate controls. It's an automatic system, so you have your driver zone and your passenger zone. And then you've got factory navigation. You can get in your backup camera. And I always like to zoom in. You can get a straight down view of where your hitch is going to be. Oh, that's really, really cool, really convenient, and easy to use. You do have some buttons along the side here for climate control, which is nice, just to be able to tap it up or down a couple degrees to get it synced in. Over here you have your 4-wheel drive selector and your 8-speed automatic transmission and push button start right above it. Yeah, you can turn on and off those park sensors. There's front and rear like we saw outside. And you can turn on and off tow haul and traction control. Got a spot for the phone, keeps it in place, and then plenty of spots to charge your phone USB. Keyless entry here with remote start and panic, change organizer, leather top to the center console, matches the seats. And you also have a lockable center safe, which is really nice. Keep your valuables in. If you do carry a firearm, it's a good spot to put it. And open up this shade here to the panoramic sunroof and take a look here. Notice how it goes all the way back over the rear seats. I always say when you get this in a truck, it's almost like having a convertible truck. It's really cool. This top section does open. I'll keep it closed today. It's just a little chilly. Up here, you've got programs up here for your garage door, so you don't have to carry those clunky remotes around. And you also have power rear window, which is super handy. So yeah, everything really checks out well on this. I believe this was a factory demo, is why it's got those miles on it, but still will have full warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. This one is definitely on sale right now, so check it out and get it while it lasts. Take care. Bye-bye.